Hi, for this video, I'd like to show you the Chuck Taylor All-Star City Track I just purchased. The color I bought was a combination of Cosmic Turtle and Tawny Owl. The shoe has a different type of outsole compared to the regular Converse. The outsole provides better traction for walking, especially on a rainy day. In addition, the upper is made with water-repellent Cordura fabric, so you don't have to worry about water soaking into the fabric when you are out on a bad weather day. The fabric seems slightly thicker than the regular Converse, so this may also be warmer compared to the cotton upper. This City Track Converse is great for spring or fall when the weather is colder. The water-resistant fabric is great for light rain, but probably not excellent under rainstorms or snowy weather. I love this olive green color. It can go well with most of my denim jeans, and it's a great contrasting color for the warm tone outfit. Now, let's try them on. The fit for the Converse Chuck Taylor All-Star City Track is very similar to the other All-Star or Chuck 70 series. My shoe size is 8.5, and I could have ordered size 8, but I did go with 8.5, so that is a little roomy for thicker socks when I wear them in winter, even though I prefer the feel of their traditional cotton fabric. The Cordura fabric is a great option when I want to wear my Converse during fall, winter, or rainy days. You can probably find many more Converse shoes video on my channel. This is actually my first pair of City Track shoes. I think the quality is decent, even though I don't have the luxury to cut them open to see what's inside. I wear my Converse shoes regularly, which have all held up well in the last couple of years. No surprise, I love this pair of new Converse City Track. The fit is excellent, and they will go well with most of my neutral tone outfits. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Maybe you will see more Converse videos soon. Bye!